Thank you for considering Synovus Energy as your renewable energy partner for your EV charger installation. So that we can provide you with a quote for an EV charger, please send us the following information: a picture of your home, a picture of your electric panel with the cover open, a picture of where you would like the EV charger installed. Please use your phone to draw a circle around the exact location, an approximate distance from the installation point to your main electric panel. You may use the heel-to-toe method or use the measuring app on your phone. Once we have that information, we will contact you with a quote and discuss schedule availability for your installation appointment. Please know that we do charge a deposit that will go towards the final cost of your EV charger installation, and your renewable energy consultant can go over all these details when you book your appointment. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at 833-766-6887. We look forward to speaking with you soon.